Sometimes a particular metal may not possess the properties required for a certain function. So it is added to another metal to produce a metallic product with improved and superior properties. This metallic product is known as an alloy. Simply put, we can define an alloy as a material or substance formed by adding one or more elements to a metal. An alloy can occur naturally, but it is mostly man-made. For example, iron meteorite, which occasionally falls on our planet from outer space, is an alloy that contains two metallic elements, which are iron and nickel. In this lesson, we will focus on some common man-made alloys and their uses. The uses of alloys can be traced back to early civilization. As discussed in our lesson on the occurrence and extraction of tin, we explained that the earliest application of tin was in the production of bronze, which is an alloy that contains tin and copper. This is evidenced by archaeological discoveries in Egypt of bronze articles that date back to 3000 BC. Although there are different types of bronze with varying composition, in general, they contain a higher composition of copper than tin. For example, commercial bronze contains 90% copper and 10% tin. Over a very long period, bronze has been used to cast sculptures and to produce coins. Today, it is also used to produce medals used for various sports activities. Steel is another example of an alloy. It is made up of iron and carbon. Unlike ordinary iron, steel is much stronger and harder. In fact, it can withstand greater strain and stress when compared with ordinary iron. This is why steel is used for the construction of massive and strong structures like stadiums, skyscrapers, and bridges. Stainless steel is a special type of alloy produced to have high corrosion resistance and more attractive appearance than ordinary steel. It is made with iron, carbon, chromium, and nickel. Due to its properties, stainless steel is used for producing cooking utensils and surgical instruments. Some other examples of alloys include brass and solder. Brass is made with copper and zinc, and it is used for making wristwatches and musical instruments, while solder is made with lead and tin and is used to create bonds between metal pieces on electronic circuit boards. So let's do a quick recap of what we have discussed so far to help you remember important points from this lesson. An alloy is a material or substance formed by adding one or more elements to a metal. Some examples of alloys include bronze, brass, steel, stainless steel, and solder. And so this is the end of our lesson. Goodbye.